Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Yu-Gi-Oh! Rage of the Abyss. So without further ado, let's dig right in and open the box and see what we get. As usual, 24 packs per box. So let's see what we get. Of course, there's a certain Malchami card that we want, that everybody wants. We get a Centurion, Primera Primus, and that's it here. On to the next one. Here we go. Where we get the Primate Raw. And that's that. On to the next one. Where we get a Poseidra Abyss, the Atlantean Dragon Lord, for our first ultra rare of the box. And that's it here. On to the next one we go. And we hit a Dominus Impulse. That's okay. Not the biggest hit, but pretty good. Of course, there's yet again quarter century secret rares in here that would also be very nice to pull. We have a Scourge of a White Forest. And that's it here. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. And once again, there's a few more of those boxes waiting. We have a Heos Varrock, the Mechanical Dawn. And on to the next one. Let's see what we get. A Final Bringer of the End Times. And we're already on to the next one. And we get a Goblin Biker Grand Breakout. And that's that. Next pack, next pack. We get a number C32, Shark Drake Levice. That's that. One at a time, please. On to the next one. Where we get a Mimighoul Fairy. And that's it. And the next pack we get a Drake Shark. And that's that. And we're down to the last pack on the right side. And then we shall continue with the left side. And we get a Asamina Deptus. And that's that. On to the left side. There's still a few things to it. So please, my dear box, provide us with something. A mermail night neptabis. Ultra rare. We'll take those. And on to the next one. With a Metal Soa X. Next pack. What will we get? It's an Asamina Ilya Sylvia. And that's that. On to the next one. Can you see we get a Mimighoul slime. And that's it here. And we get an area where water channeler. I guess in English, area. Lovely. That's that. Let's move on to the next one. We get a Battle Wasp, Grand Partisan, The Revolution. And that's it. On to the next pack. We have a Fiendsmith's Agnamde. Down to 5 packs. There can still be greatness. We believe in greatness. Will we be disappointed? Maybe. We have a Metal Illusionist. 4 packs left to go. And we have a Surfacing Pictures for our ultra rare here. Third to last pack. Let's see what we get. Succumbing Song Morganite. Second to last pack. Excitement. It's here, it's there. Let's see. And we have a Fire King Courtier Alcanix. That's also a decent one to get for our second secret rare of the box. And we're down to the last pack. I don't expect greatness anymore. And there's not. It's a Goblin Bikers Gone Wild. But that's fine. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.